Circuit breaker types and labels are not strictly industry standards. Different manufacturers may use different designations for similar types of circuit breakers. Even if two circuit breakers have the same designation from different companies, they may not be compatible with the same equipment. This is because manufacturers may use different internal designs and construction methods, which can affect compatibility with specific equipment. In the case of Crouse-Hinds and Murray, the fact that Murray produces circuit breakers with similar designations does not necessarily mean they are interchangeable. Always consult with the equipment manufacturer or a qualified electrician to ensure compatibility before installing a replacement circuit breaker. Firstly, contact the Crouse-Hinds manufacturer. They may be able to provide information on compatible replacement breakers. Secondly, contact the equipment manufacturer. They will be able to specify the exact type and rating of circuit breaker required for the equipment. Thirdly, use a cross-reference guide. Some companies offer cross-reference guides that match different manufacturer circuit breakers to compatible replacements. Fourthly, consult with a qualified electrician. They can help select and install a suitable replacement circuit breaker. Using incompatible circuit breakers can lead to safety hazards such as overheating, electrical fires, equipment damage and personal injury. When dealing with electrical systems, safety is paramount. Circuit breakers are designed to protect circuits from overcurrents, preventing damage and potential hazards. However, the lack of strict industry standards for circuit breaker types and labels can create confusion and potential for dangerous situations. Let's delve into the factors that contribute to this issue and discuss the importance of ensuring compatibility when replacing circuit breakers. Different manufacturers may employ varying designations for similar types of circuit breakers. This means that a circuit breaker labeled with a specific code by one manufacturer might not correspond directly to a circuit breaker with the same code from another manufacturer. This discrepancy can be attributed to different internal designs, construction methods, and proprietary technologies used by each company. Even if two circuit breakers bear the same designation from different manufacturers, they may not be compatible with the same equipment. This is a crucial point to understand. Compatibility depends on several factors, including the physical dimensions of the breaker, the type of connection it uses, and its electrical characteristics. If a replacement breaker does not match the specifications of the original breaker, it could lead to improper functioning, overheating, or even failure of the circuit. In situations where original circuit breakers are no longer available from the original manufacturer, finding a suitable replacement can be challenging. In such cases, it's essential to exercise caution and seek expert advice. Consulting with the equipment manufacturer or a qualified electrician is highly recommended to ensure compatibility and prevent potential safety hazards. Several solutions can help you find a compatible replacement circuit breaker. Firstly, contact the original manufacturer of the circuit breaker. They may have information on compatible replacement breakers or be able to provide a direct replacement from their current product line. Secondly, contact the equipment manufacturer. They should be able to specify the exact type and rating of circuit breaker required for the equipment. This information is crucial for selecting a suitable replacement. Thirdly, use a cross-reference guide. These guides compare circuit breakers from different manufacturers and identify compatible replacements. However, it's essential to verify the information in the guide with a qualified electrician to ensure accuracy. Fourthly, consult with a qualified electrician. They have the expertise to assess the situation, identify the correct type of circuit breaker, and install it safely. Using incompatible circuit breakers can lead to a range of safety hazards. Firstly, overheating can occur if the replacement breaker is not designed to handle the same current load as the original breaker. This can damage the breaker and the surrounding electrical components. Secondly, electrical fires can result from overheating or short circuits caused by incompatible breakers. These fires can spread rapidly and cause significant damage. Thirdly, equipment damage can occur if the replacement breaker does not provide adequate protection for the equipment connected to the circuit. This can lead to costly repairs or replacement of the equipment. Fourthly, personal injury is a serious risk associated with using incompatible circuit breakers. Electric shock or electrocution can occur if the breaker fails to trip in the event of an overcurrent or short circuit. Therefore, it's crucial to prioritize safety and take the necessary precautions when replacing circuit breakers. In conclusion, while circuit breaker types and labels may appear to be standardized, variations exist between manufacturers. Always prioritize compatibility when replacing circuit breakers to avoid safety hazards and ensure proper functioning of electrical systems. Consult with qualified professionals and utilize available resources to select a suitable replacement and maintain a safe electrical environment.